Hey, welcome to vCard, and I am Ritesh, and I will show you how you can create a digital card inside vCard. I will create one for you, and I will show you the process. So first, I will actually show you how you can create one. Then I will show you how you can add different elements. Also, the point to be noted that this is the free account, and it don't have many other options. Like you can't create many different business card here, so it's better for you to shift to the premium version to use the actual potential of this tool. Right now I will go with the free version, and I will just show you what you can do with this certain tool. So you can see here it is saying my v card. I will click here on view button, and as I will do, it says that no matching record found. I will go over and create a digital card. It says type in the slug, it is the url, okay, that will be placed over the main url, which is vcard.ltd. Then I will go with the title where I will place my name, and then I will go with a title like website developer, and I will type a short description. So this is my title, short description, and I will just click on create button. Now you can see that the v card is created, your business card is created, and you can actually preview it, but it will not look as good as you are assuming it to be, because it is currently not created. We have to add different elements here. So you can see the name and website developer, which is our subtitle, and the description, everything is added. You can customize it as per your own preferences, right? I will just go over and I will choose different theme. You can see these are the options that you can attach. In the premium version you will get more options under these options, okay. So currently I like the second one. I will go with the second, and I like some this oranges color, and I will choose and click on save changes. If I come here and I will refresh it, the same change has been applied. Now let's go over and create some other profile images. It is the profile image, and let me choose an image from my laptop. So this is the image I attached, and I will click on save changes. Once the change will be take place, the image here will be changed. You can see the image has been changed to whatever we have attached right now. And if you want, you can update your contact detail. Currently you can't see any contact detail here. Let me add some contact detail for you, and I will copy the same, and I will click on save changes. So the contact detail has been updated. You can check here. So you can see all of the contact detail has been updated here, and anyone can click you, call you, whatsapp you, or even email you, even visit your website, and then they can even fill the inquiry form. But the problem with that is that we need inquiry form is only available in the premium version. You cannot use it in the free version. Means there will be a form in the below where people can actually put their lead, and then you can follow them through your email marketing. But in the free version you cannot do that. So it's not a big deal, you can still use it. And if you want, you can actually attach a product and service here, portfolio, gallery, and testimonial, these things. Let me show you by adding a one product. Website development, and I will charge here, let's say $50, and I will write the description. Done. So I have typed in description, and I will add a cover image as well so that it looks good. Let's add this image and click on create. As the image is created, and I will come back to my actual business card, and if I refresh it, you can actually see that product and service has been added. Same goes for portfolio, gallery, testimonial, and every other options that you are watching right now here. So this is what vcard is all about. If you want to see how which type of design you can create, let me show you some design. So this is first design, this will be second design, this will be third, and this will be fourth design. You can see you can add every each and everything here, your product and service, and you can add your qr code plus inquiry form. This is the form I am talking about. The person can fill their email here and can type the message and send it to you. This is the inquiry form. So this is the digital business card. This is another design, and this is the same theme we have chosen here. It is the product and service QR code. It's very simple, and here you can see all other the information. You can add several information here. Same product and service and QR code, and same goes for here. You can add gallery as well, and many other options that you are thinking of. So I hope you'll give this tool a try. Just use it and grow your business. Thanks for giving me time.